Guys, today I'm going to show you how I built this website right here for a safety equipment supplier, and now it's generating an insane amount of leads and inquiries for them. Here's exactly how we did it. First of all, the goal was not just to make a website that looks nice. The goal was to make a website that can generate leads for them, ensure they can be found online on Google, and most importantly, be able to work 24/7 as an asset for their business even when they're asleep. Okay, so the first things first that we did was obviously have the initial meeting with the client. This is where now we had to align on what was the objective of the website, what problems the business was facing that the website can actually solve and win. And the goal was to actually understand exactly how the website is going to impact the business, so that we build from a point of knowing exactly what problem we are solving and not guessing in terms of what the client wants. Okay, so the first thing that we handled, of course, was the design, guys. You guys always know this. The design is not only about how it looks, guys. The design is there to make sure the business is credible, has a professional look, and easily builds trust with the prospective customers visiting this website, guys. So for the design, we got into Google Stitch and started prompting the design and look that we want. Obviously, the client had shared all the assets that we need, so our job was so much easier, guys. All we had to do was prompt and ensure we attain the design that actually builds the kind of trust and credibility that we want on this website, guys. Once the design was exactly where we wanted, it was time to export these design screens into our development, which is the next stage, guys. For development, guys, we're going to be using the latest model from cloud, which is Opus 5, guys. We're going to prompt Opus 5 to build for us this entire design, front, back, database, everything, guys. Obviously, we want to give it the exact technology stack we're going to use, but from here, of course, the AI is going to build everything for us. Our job is just to make sure that everything works exactly how we expect it and it delivers the value that the client is expecting, guys. Okay, so once this was done, the next thing that we have to, of course, really make sure is the responsiveness, guys. 70% of the traffic coming to this website is going to come from mobile devices, so it's very important, guys, that we get the mobile device right. And next, after we are done with this, guys, we need to integrate WhatsApp. A lot of the communication and the orders coming from this website are going to be going to WhatsApp, and from the research, 90% of customers actually use WhatsApp to communicate with the businesses that they interact with. So we have to make sure WhatsApp is working and the call to action is also working perfectly to take the orders straight into the WhatsApp of the business owner. Okay, guys, finally, once we are done with all this, guys, we now just need to do the final house cleaning, which is making sure our SEO is on point so that we can actually be found on Google. We also have to make sure that our favicon is on brand. This is also very important in terms of maintaining the brand identity throughout. And lastly, guys, of course, we also have to make sure that the meta tags and the meta descriptions are on point and they rank with the keywords that the customers are looking for, so that we can actually be found on Google, guys. Once we do all this, guys, our website is ready for publishing, which is the next step. For this, we're just going to push this entire website to GitHub and then push it to Vercel, so that we get a temporary link that we can actually use for testing, which is our next phase, guys. I always tell you guys that AIs can make mistakes. No matter what the model is, AIs can make mistakes. So we always have to test our work and make sure that there are no errors and bugs in the work that we're going to give our client, guys. We have to make sure that there are no errors and bugs, and we do this using our testing agent, which is TestSprite, guys. TestSprite is one of the best agents out here in terms of testing, guys. It will actually test your entire app thoroughly, front, back, and everything, guys. And this kind of agent comes in handy when you're testing a large amount of code base, guys. Imagine if our application had hundreds of pages and we had to test each one of those manually. That will take hours, probably days, guys. And that's exactly where TestSprite comes in terms of the testing, guys. Once you've tested and all our tests come back green, guys, that means our website is A-OK, and we can now proceed to the next phase, which is deploying it to the client's custom domain, guys. We're going to deploy this to their custom domain, which is ivankaonline.com, and from here, of course, guys, you're going to be the client is going to be able to visit this website, and alongside all the other customers who are visiting this, they're going to be able to visit the custom domain and see our deployed website there, guys. Once we're done with this, guys, we're still not done, guys. We obviously have to jump on a final call with this client and walk them through exactly how their website works so that they have full control, and we hand over everything, and just like that, our website is live with our client's custom domain on it, guys. And that's the difference, guys, between a website that just sits there and a website that just works for your business. Every step that we took through this process was intentional to ensure that we create a website that builds credibility and generates leads for this business and actually solves the core business problem for them, which was obviously having their catalog online and having the ability to inquire or buy from them, guys. With that, we wrap up this episode. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys want to see us build next in the next video.